this, the fuel pump, the 20 amp. Let the car run with this thing. Let the car run 20 seconds, let it die. Place paper towels or something underneath these lines.
You get the vacuum sound, which is good. Yep. And then take this off with a wrench. I think it's a 20 mil one underneath. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Oh, bloody hell.
Does it just snake?
No. I don't think I can snake it out. Snake it out means I gotta disconnect. Okay. Yeah, see, so you see there's a spring, right?
Yeah.
So hence you got the plunger underneath that's pushing up and down on the spring, right? Yeah. Okay, no, I need to. Ah, that's why. We need some lubrication.